Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a new month, exciting things. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos on this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. That's the only way that you can show me that you enjoy what I'm doing and I should keep on going. If you are looking for free stuff, I know people have free stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that. There are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Let's get into today's video. So, you saw by the title of the video, today I'm going to share a story about my worst day trading. This is the day that I'll forever remember. After this day, I did blow some accounts and stuff, and I've had worse days ever since this day. But this day takes the trophy in my books because it was actually my first day trading a real account. That was my first day trading a real account. What happened was back in 2017, I think around November, December 2017, I bumped into, this marketing on Facebook, on YouTube about forex trading and stuff. So me, I'm kind of different from most people. Sometimes I try to see if I can do the thing myself before I can ask somebody to help me. It's a strength, but it's also a recipe for disaster because sometimes you might end up getting into deeper problems. But sometimes you might actually be lucky and you can solve and learn to solve your own problem. So I'm that person who first of all tries to fix their own, like for example, my car. Before I call the mechanic, sometimes I try to fix my own car and like Google, going to forums and find out information first. When it becomes too technical, then I can go to the dealership. But if it's something that I think I can fix myself and save a few coins, I'll do it. So that was the thing that happened with forex trading. When I started, I bumped into all these guys who were marketing their forex trading mentorships and programs and strategies and stuff like that. And I thought, well, wait, I'm good with learning. I know how to learn. I can grasp information and use it. So how about I can try to do this myself? So I figured out, okay, so they're using this app called MetaTrader. I didn't know what it was. I just knew that, okay, so they use something called MetaTrader. Okay, let me see if I can find it on Google Play Store. So quickly ran to Google Play Store, found this app, put it on my phone. I exactly did not know what it meant, what buys meant, what sell meant, what were candlesticks, or what was what. I remember the first day that I actually used MetaTrader 4. Was it MetaTrader 4? I think it was MetaTrader 4, the app. The first day that I actually used it, we were out shopping with my wife. So she was doing a shopping, and I basically downloaded the app using the Wi-Fi at the shopping mall. And once my wife was doing shopping, I actually found a bench just to sit there and just to figure out this app. And I would go into shopping and I'll be pressing my random buys, my random sells. To my surprise, 90% of those random buys, random sells, they actually turned out. Uh, they call it beginner's luck, I guess. Beginner's luck. But for me, it was actually demo. But what that did is actually it gave me confidence that you can do this thing. You can do this thing. You can actually do this thing if you can actually put in your real money. So fast forward to February 2018, the 28th of February. This candle that I've marked with this green arrow. I hope you can see it. Was my first day trading the forex markets with a real account. You can imagine my excitement because we usually got paid the 25th. So there was kind of a delay, and with my boss, the company that I worked for back then. So the money only got into my account, reflected in my account on the 28th. It was in the morning when I got, the notification that salary is in, and I could not wait to get into the forex market and actually make money for real, because I had seen that on demo. I was crushing it. I was crushing it on demo. By the way, I had no clue of what I was doing. I had no clue of what I was doing. But by some miracle, my random buys, my random sells were panning out. I don't know if they were hooking me in, or if it was a conspiracy to hook me in so that they can steal my money. I don't know. So I was just excited that today is the day. Today is the day I'm going to get into the market, and I'm just going to be killing it. I'll be making my millions very soon. So I remember I opened my account with my broker. The link is in the description box below. I'm still with them. Well, despite me blowing the account, they haven't been a bad broker. Always when I've made my withdrawals, they've arrived in my account, so I still kept them despite our first encounter. So I quickly transferred from my salary then, I think around about 150 dollars. Quickly deposited into my trading account, and I couldn't wait. Fortunately or unfortunately for me, just before lunchtime, we got called into a meeting. That meeting was around about 10-15 minutes, but I remember sitting in that meeting. It took me like forever because I was just excited. I just wanted to go back to my desk and start placing trades, start making money. So whatever my bosses said in that meeting, I cannot even remember. So when the meeting ended, quickly went out to lunch to grab something to eat, came back excited, full of energy, opened my trading chart. And I think the mistake that I also made was I picked GBP JPY. I did not even understand forex pairs, their behaviors, their movements, and stuff like that. I did not understand about lot sizing, about risk management, all that stuff. Hey, I did not even have a trading strategy because I had just been placing random buys and random sells on my demo, and I was killing it. And I thought, it's going to be easy. This thing, people make it seem so hard so that they can make people make money off people. This thing is so easy. So open my charts immediately without even doing any analysis. I remember I pressed and bought a standard lot. GBP JPY on a 15-minute chart. Unfortunately, this is a daily chart, but this is the candle. I will not forget this candle for the rest of my days. So 15-minute chart I bought because it looked like it was going up. I think that's what I would look for. I figured out that the blue or green candles means it's going up. The red or whatever candles mean it's going down. So I remember 15-minute candle I bought standard lot, and for some time it looked like it was going in my favor, and I was so excited. Like, wow, now finally I'm making money. It's so easy, so easy. And start imagining all the things that you are going to do with all the money that you're going to make. Lo and behold, I think what happened when New York session opened, I did not even know about these sessions. When New York session opened, GBP JPY just dropped. And I didn't know what was going on. So in my mind, I thought, no man, what's going on here? I thought, no, eventually it's going to go what? It's going to go back up. So let me buy again. I think that time I bought around 0.20. So on top of the standard lot, I bought it. I think I bought something at 0.20. I think partly because at some point my broker refused another standard lot or something like that. I don't know, but it had changed so much that my broker was now refusing a standard lot. But I had faith that no, it's going to turn around. It's going to turn around, and I'm going to make my. Remember, I'm looking at 15-minute chart. I don't know about higher time frame analysis or anything like that. I do not even have a strategy. I don't even know all candlesticks. What I just know is you press buy, you press sell, and you make money. That's all I know. I remember people who had seen me that morning, who had seen me excited, full of energy, and like, this guy, what's wrong with him? Is he on drugs or something? Suddenly they saw me looking all dreary, like, what's happening with this guy who was so excited in the morning, and what happened after lunch? Did this guy get some terrible news from home, or what's happening with this guy? I remember that afternoon was the worst day of my life. It was the worst day. I just looked at my charts. The market continued tanking. I think I placed another 4 or 5 trades, hoping that the market would obviously go up. I went home, the market was not going up. I started praying, God, please turn this market around. God, please, 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 please. I'll be a good person from now on. Please, please, please. It's my first day trading the real market. I cannot lose on my first day trading a real account. Please, I remember I prayed like I've never prayed. But the market continued tanking. This candle, this candle, I lost my money on this candle. I got home. I could not even, you get home and things were not well, or things are not well. Your kids and your wife immediately pick up that something is wrong with this guy. Well, what's wrong with this guy? This guy was excited about something this whole month. Now he comes home and his whole dreary is what's happening with this guy? You cannot even enjoy your supper or the company of people. My eyes were just on my phone. Every 2 minutes, I'm just checking my phone. I'm praying for a miracle. Every 2 minutes, I'm praying for a miracle. Every 2 minutes, just checking. Has it gone up? Has anything changed? Has it gone up? And my mistake was to continue buying. Guys, if you have a small account and you are trading against the trend, is your recipe for disaster. You are basically trying to catch a flood with your hands, or trying to catch a bullet with your hands. Guys, counter trend trading, not for people with small accounts. I learned it that day. So eventually, I got to a point where I couldn't even place trades because of margin call. So I think right about 9 p.m., 8 p.m. or 9 p.m., broker closed all my trades. Account blown. $150. My first day of trading, the worst day of my life. Gone. 150 my $150 that I thought I would turn into $1,000 or $1,000,000 gone just like that. You can imagine my devastation. I was so devastated. And I had not told my wife about some of these things. I had not told my wife about me taking part of my salary and actually putting it in trading. Aish. And I'm thinking, did these brokers lure me in with the demo trading? Is there a conspiracy? That day I was convinced that the broker was running a scam or a conspiracy or something like that. They probably drew me in with the demo trading so that they can take my money when I actually place deposit into a real account. I was convinced there is something going on about these brokers. That day I could not sleep. My first day of trading was my worst day of trading. Ever since this day, yes, I've blown some accounts, but they were not as bad as what happened there. And sometimes when I blow accounts, I already know what I did wrong, and sometimes it's because I'm testing new things, new tools, and stuff like that. So those ones are basically minimal accounts. By the way, my broker, you can basically trade with $5. So it's not as bad as what happened on this day. This day was the worst because I probably had this so much expectations, and the rug was pulled from under my feet just like that. And I think also the mistake that I made was I took GBP JPY. I think it's the worst forex pair to trade for a person who doesn't know what they're doing. GBP pairs, gold, silver. I think if you don't know what you are doing, stay away from those pairs. If you don't know what you're doing, stay away from the volatile pairs. And have a concept of lot sizing, risk management, take profits, stop losses. I did not even place stop losses because I just thought this thing, it's so simple. I can make a lot of money. This thing, I'll just place buy, I'll just place sell like I've been doing on demo, and I'll make lots and lots and lots of cash. It did not happen that way. So I thought, let me share the worst day of my life trading. Nowadays, people look at me sometimes and think, this guy is so fortunate and he's killing it in the markets. They don't know the pain. People don't know the pain of trading. Nowadays, I do, like I said, I do blow accounts, but it's not as bad as this day. I'll always remember 28 February 2018, the day I started trading a real account, the same day that I blew an account. It was painful. I've since learned from the mistakes that I've made over these years, and I believe I've become a better trader and stuff like that. It doesn't mean that I don't take losses. I do take losses here and there, but now I'm a better person. I know how to react to them. I know how to manage my accounts. I know how to manage risk and stuff like that. So, yeah, I hope this video inspires you to keep on going. My worst day trading was actually my first day trading. And if I were somebody who gave up easily, I would not have been here today. So I hope this serves as just some inspiration for somebody trading out there. By the way, I've linked at the end of this video videos of people blowing their accounts. Maybe that will cheer you up if you've just blown an account or if you have blown an account. But yeah, basically, I hope this story inspires you. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.